These are monks from Vietnam. There are 12 of them. So this is Thầy An Lạc, Thầy Chân Tuệ, Thầy Phổ Minh, Thầy Minh Luật, Thầy Minh Ngộ, Minh Chơn, Minh Khổ, Minh Thiện, and Thiện Phước. Yeah, so 12 of them are here. They're from Vietnam, and they are here, like I mentioned, just to visit Dharamsala, to receive His Holiness blessing. Their aspiration is to find a place where they can meditate peacefully. They're here to deepen their spiritual practice. Like they follow the 13 Dhutanga practices from the Theravada Buddhist tradition. So these practices are, their robes are made by discard cloth, right? So discarded cloth because they pick on the street along the way, and they basically they have only 3 robes. They also live on alms. They eat 1 meal a day before noon, and they also sleep in a sitting position. And they like to rest in a really simple area like forest or even cemetery. So I'm just asking the local resident to provide support for monks. Their aspiration is to find a peaceful place. I think they've been through a lot. That's my opinion. That's not there. I'm just speaking from my observation. And so, so we hope that we can provide that safe space and nourishing environment for monks to practice. Yeah.